Okay. I'm hoping it's bright enough. I've got some supplies here. I've got some dragging sticks, I call them, because you're gonna drag your pupils out. This is a just in case. This is just regular old nail polish remover. Now, I have some that I did, but I'm not real pleased with. That's one of them. It's okay. There, you can see it better. And then there's this one, which I'm not pleased with, right? So, what I do is get some paper towel and put on some of that nail polish remover and just rub the back of it, okay? It will lighten it up enough to take away whatever you are displeased about, and you can redo it. Well, for me, I only want to redo the middle. So I want it just like that. I don't know if you can see that with the glare. There you go. Okay. Now, you want them, these are cabochons. You can get them at any craft store. You check for cracks and things. I have a pile over here that we'll use for a different project because they all have cracks in them and it's quite visible and you can feel them. These two are good, and I'm going to redo this one. So this, you want the rounded side down, and you want to start with black for your pupil. Shake it up a little bit, and hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. You want to line up the middle like that, okay? Then you take a dragging stick. Now mine are skewers I bought like $1 for 50 of them or whatever at the Walmart. And I just break them. I'm going to drag that black outward, okay? Just remember, it's your pupil. And then you can add more black to it. Okay? Until you are pleased with it. Okay. Now, a lot of people go around the edges next. I actually hit the edges and not on the back, because for me, it ends up working better. So go around the edges, slightly with black, just to highlight it, okay? You're going to do the same thing with your dragging stick. You're going to drag that color inward, okay? Boop. Okay. satisfied. I always keep baby wipes around. If I get something on my finger, try to get it off quick. Or I still have the nail polish remover. Works like a charm. So then what I want to do, I would like to put some yellow right behind the pupil. Okay. Like that. Okay. We can see that. That's what it looks like already. Here, let me. That's what it looks like already. Okay. So, again, take my dragging stick and drag that color out through the eye. Remember, it's our eyes and dragon's eyes. The colors mix. Okay. Everybody has a different method. This is mine. Now I go over it with the yellow. And I have chosen pink. On my outer edge. Okay. So far, okay. Now, okay, and we're going to let that one dry while we start working on this one here. To redo it. Oh, I have to shake my black. I'm running out. Okay, so here I'm just going to make a pupil right up the middle again and drag the black out. Okay, and I'm going to add more of the black. Okay. On this one, still going to use the red. Around the outside. Okay. And I think I'm going to add some orange, which will mix in with the lines that I carved on the yellow. orange doesn't want to go back in. Okay, I'm going to give it a good pink on the back here. And that is what I ended up with. Can you see that? That's my dragon eye. All right. It's a very easy project. It's not difficult at all. And this one did not come out as nice, but I can always redo it. Okay, so we're gonna let that dry. Move on. Now on this one, I'm going to do it a little different. Okay. Oops. Now, see, now, that's how it starts out. And then, you know what, I think on this one, I'm going to add some silver. This is just regular old nail polish. Doesn't matter what you use. You can use the cheap kind. It's fine. Anything that you would like to try, you should try. Because just because nobody else has tried it yet or nobody else likes it doesn't mean you won't. So you should enjoy yourself while you're creating. Give it some pizzazz of your own. You know what I mean? Now that's what we've got. Can you see that properly? Okay. So it's got a little bit of a tint there. And this will be filling in those ridges we just carved with our scraper stick. Hold on. Oh, I can't get that in there. Look. See how the pink fills in the back? And now, go over it with this red. Oops. I lined the outside here, but I'm very flexible on the inside. I'm just kind of dabbing it to fill in the holes, crevices of where we scraped. And let's see if I can get this on camera. Those are the two that we made. Let's see if I can. So they're totally different. This one is like an orange tint, and this one is a silvery tint. Okay, it's that easy. Takes a while for them to dry, but then they're nice. You can actually use an old egg carton to stick them in to dry them. That works wonderfully. So it is totally your choice. And, well, we'll see you next time on Kusky Creations, where the magic happens. Thanks, everyone. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video if you want to. And we appreciate all your love and support. Have a magical week.